Alright, Sunday, June 13th. Just woke up from a meditation nap. Wow. I was traveling. I'm gonna go put my feet in the water. Oh man, it rained today. Oh boy, did it rain. It rained so hard. I don't know why I can't see it very good. Yeah, I haven't learned my camera yet, and I'm not fucking gonna, man. Cussing already, yeah. I'm really not even in my body yet. I just woke up from a nap. Oh my goodness. Like some sort of a... Look how far down the water is. Yep, those are my feet, in case you didn't know. In case you didn't know, those are my feet. Yeah, I was getting ready to do some videos. I was getting all set up and I just got overwhelmingly exhausted. And then I did a meditation, fell asleep for 2 hours. Look at this hole. Isn't that something? Oh, kids build some amazing things, right? Why is this so dark? Yeah, I'm adjusting. Alright, whatever. If you can't see it because it's too dark, I don't know what to tell you. I'm gonna get my feet muddy. Look how far down the water is from the water. Oh, goodness. This camera perplexes me. See, on my end, you can barely see it, like the screen's dark. I'm hoping it's not that way on your end. Well, this ought to fucking wake me up. Burr, man. Burr Manchu. Yeah, it's like a noodle dish. Look at all of this beach. Hoofda. And I stand in the water? You betcha I am. Probably. Yeah, Crystal. Let's see about that. Alright. Some dead bodies on the beach. Yep. In case you didn't know, those are my leg weights. Beautiful day. Beautiful, beautiful. Every day is so different, every hour sometimes. An ever-changing canvas. Alright, are you ready to take the plunge? Or just the feet plunge? Okay. Yikes doodles. Well, I'm awake now. Hello, world. Shit. Splashes are so funny. They blow. Okay, they don't blow. They splash sand up inside of my shorts. Yep. I'm not gonna jump in today, but soon I'm gonna jump in. Are you ready? Man, I'm not in my body yet. That was such an incredible meditation nap. It was just this whole body exhaustion. Okay. Maybe it's a wipe the lens off sort of deal. Nope. That's me wiping the lens off on my shirt. Because it looks so dark. Alright. See now, my feet are like, yeah, whatever, it's old news. It's old news now. That's what happens when you jump in. When I jump into water like this, I fucking stay in. I don't get out until I die. No, but like lakes in Oregon or lakes in Montana or whatever, oh goodness. I get in, right? You just take the plunge. It's like, and then it's like, I just stay in and swim and swim and swim. I don't like to get in and get out. Like, have that shock and awe over and over and over. I like to get in, stay in, and when I get out, I like to stay the fuck out. Okay, so there's my philosophy on swimming in cold water. With some sort of a Mrs. Doubtfire voice, but not. Yes. It was like pouring rain this morning. I mean, just like incredible downpour and chilly, and nobody was here. Otherwise, I don't usually park in that spot. But then, there's a free weekend out here at, I was going to say out at the 4th of July. There's a park called 4th of July Park on San Juan Island. In case you didn't know. See all the different art it makes? Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. So, are you dying to know what I was going to do videos on, but then I fell asleep? Okay, I'll tell you. Okay. Oh shit. Fucking wet. It's weird to get your shorts wet from the inside, right? So like my shorts are wet on the inside here, but not on the outside. Very fascinating for sure. Now there's some more fascination. Okay. Well, my videos are going to be about knowing versus belief, switching timelines, like how, and then also assimilating the other versions of you. Like I've met my children. I've mourned things. I've experienced things that I have experienced in other timelines. I have integrated into this timeline. I'm going to talk about that. I have a list, but I have boxes of lists, things to tell you people that you already know. You can say, it's like, I mean, why do I want to keep saying something 10 million times? See this guy? Isn't that interesting? He's building a thing. A work of art. Hey, Crow. Why am I walking down here? I don't even know. Oh, I was just going to go down to the water and put my feet in to wake up. But now, look how far I've went. That was a cool structure he was building, huh? See how the mountains are sucked in over there? And then the sailboat is just so pretty to me. Crack me up. Crack me up. Crack me up. Look at how much beach there is. Like, does that beach go all the way up? I mean, my goodness, right? I suppose if we were in LA, it'd be packed all the way like sardines. Well, that was an interesting fact, Crystal. Well, thank you. I didn't want to say. I was going to fix my hair and purr, but I got shoes in my hands and a camera in the other hand, so it's kind of hard to preen, so I'll just, you know, like that. Thank you, Crystal. That was marvelous. Hey, crows! Loving it. Loving every minute of it. Hi. You're very, very pretty. I don't know. Sometimes strange things happen. I kind of want to jump in. It's just not the right time. Because, you know, then I gotta shower. When you live in a car, you gotta plan things, you know, strategically. Yeah, Crystal, blah, blah, blah. You have shower coins. The shower's right over there. Wine some more. Hey, what are you guys doing? Did you see that fort up there? Why are you running away? It's the cutest thing when birds run away. As if they, you know, come and get me, and they know they can fly. Waddle, waddle, waddle. Hey, crow, what's up? What's up, crow? You come here often? Oh, Crystal, you're such a dork. Thank you very much. There's so much beach, dude. Whew. It's nice to be not dry fasting, because then, you know, I can get wet. Woo! Loving every minute of it. Loving every minute of it. Hi, it's me. Public service announcement. From Crow. Waddle, waddle, waddle. Ravens don't do that shit. Ravens are big. Ravens are in the forest. Ravens are like, caw, but not like, caw, 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 like the crow. They make this. You know, I'm from the forests of Montana. And in the forests of Montana, the ravens go in and out of portals, and they make really weird noises. And they're actually purple. Holy moly! Well, What are the crows eating? Little pieces of crab stuff, probably. That crow just said it was none of my beeswax. Rude. Listen, you can't run away from me. Okay, you have to fly. You are just so cute. I'll see all those seagulls down there. They're like having a party or something. Yeah, I think I'm done with that direction. Why are you filming your feet?
Why you ask so many dumb questions?
Oh, I really so could just swim in this water. If my house was right there, I would jump in here. I don't feel like dealing with wetness. Actually, I don't mind being fully wet or cold. I used to be scared of that. When I first was living in a car, I didn't want to get my feet wet. I was afraid I'd never be able to warm up. I had all kinds of different fears, but I don't have any of those fears anymore. However, it's bay water, and it makes my skin feel weird. I don't shower after. You ever heard of too much information? You ever heard of shut the fuck up? You shouldn't be having a private conversation in your head on camera. People are going to take you to the nut house. I'm in the fucking nut house already. Okay, conversation's over. Thank you, I win. I am you, so you don't fucking win. Oh my god, who's ever listening is totally gonna like call the funny farm on you. The funny farm? The fuck is that? Oh my goodness. Okay, where are we? Alright, well, there's a bathroom up there, I think. I think we're gonna go that direction. Probably still walk back on the beach. Too much information, Crystal. Okay, well, if I wash my feet, I can't walk back on the beach. Oh my god, rules, rules, rules. Gotta get your grandma's house. Look, keep your inside voices inside your head. My recommendation to you. Yes, ma'am. It's yes, sir to you. You know you're still on camera. I know. Risking being locked up. That's fine. That's fine. You did not just say that. Lock me up. It's a bunch of other women in some sort of prison. That's alright. I'm a dominant lesbian. I shall have a good time. Oh, you think you're a dominant lesbian? Oh my god, not this again. Look at all these ridges. Aren't they cool? They're like ruffles. Very funny. That is just so neat. Crack me up. Making my way to you, bathroom. I shouldn't be telling you guys where I'm going, but see that sign up there? Yeah. And that's where we say goodbye. Forever. You can't follow me into the bathroom. Perv. Another weird video by Nutjob Crazy Crystal Cox. Did you just call yourself a nutjob? No, I called you a nutjob. I'm the king of pentacles. Pathetic. I'm the ace. You can bullshit it. I'm the queen of hearts, and I love everybody. Yeah, how's that working out? You're loving everybody with our money. The ace of pentacles and the king of pentacles rolls their eyes at the queen of pentacles. Like that. Not the queen of pentacles. Oh my god, do it again. Okay, the ace of pentacles and the king of pentacles are rolling their eyes at the queen of hearts. Because she's like, I love you so much. I love you so much. Here, take this. And they're like, ugh, not again. Weirdo. Somebody got my shoes dirty. Those aren't shoes. What are they then? Oh, God. See them roll their eyes at me again? Okay, for shit's sakes. Whew. You know, walking in sand, like walking in snow.
as they say.
Okay. Very, very pretty. Okay. Well, if this video didn't bore you to tears, it means you're madly in love with me. Or you're related to me. My relatives like to see just how far off the deep end she's gone. How far has she gone off the deep end? Far enough, babe, far enough. Alright. I'd like to say goodbye and roll the credits now. Oh, what? That's the Ace of Pentacles. Ah, that's the King of Pentacles. Look, I'm giving the love. Hi, I'm the Queen of Hearts. Fine, okay.